The act of poking Hannah in the arm acts as the stimulus. From there, the signal is sent to the dendrites of a neuron. After the signal is sent to the dendrites, it travels down to the cell body. As it travels through the cell body, it goes down to the region called the axon hillock. Within the axon hillock, the signal continues down through the axon. As it passes through the axon, voltage-gated channels open, which are specific to potassium and sodium. The cell is at a state of threshold, or negative 70 millivolts. Once sodium passes through, depolarization occurs. Afterwards, potassium exits through a potassium channel, causing repolarization. After repolarization, the cell returns to threshold in a process known as hyperpolarization. As the signal goes further down the axon, it reaches the myelin sheath, which speeds up the signal. Since the signal can't travel out the cell from the sheath, it travels to the space in between the sheaths called the nodes of Ranvier. In order to go down the whole neuron, the signal jumps from each node during saltatory conduction. After all of the sheaths are passed, the signal finally reaches the axon terminal. In here, we see vesicles that contain many neurotransmitters. These vesicles fuse with the cell membrane and release vesicles into the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitters bind to receptors on the dendrites of other neurons